Well, welcome back to AgExpo this year, 2024. We have a new facility behind me here at the Lethbridge Exhibition Grounds where we are going to be this year. So the old building, which is over there behind me, is now just taking up valuable parking space, and as expected, parking is absolutely atrocious. But let's go on inside and see how things look. Here's our Agro Plus booth this year, looking pretty good here so far. So here is DLF Pick Seed booth. If you guys need anything for forage seed, these guys are the ones to come and talk to and pick out what variety you need. Here's a quick look at their product guide and some of their forage and pasture mixtures. You can see they got lots of really good options in here for both dry land and irrigation. The Cattleman's mixture is a favorite of mine. The newer, bigger building is giving us more access to equipment inside, like Noble equipment. So with it being minus 20 outside, it's nice to see some of this stuff in here. All right, here's the new farm booth this year. We got Ray and Jason in here, and Duplisan Technology new with them this year. So, Ray, do you want to talk about that for a second?
You betcha. Stop by the new farm booth. We're going to introduce you to Duplisan Technology, which can be found in AgExpo and Blackhawk EVO.
Overall, I'd say it's moderately busy in here so far. Tuesday afternoon, things are looking pretty good. Here's the Syngenta booth. Everything looking pretty good here. Got a nice big size booth, and of course here's Brant King, our favorite guy on YouTube. What's going on, Brant? Anything new this year?
Anything new this year? We have Talonor coming out, a new 27-6 broadleaf, as well as a new pulse seed care product in Vibrance Total, as well as a new Sclerotinia product in Mirvis Star, the new iteration from Mirvis Bold.
Nice. Sounds like an exciting year. Here we have the Corteva booth, another nice setup for this year. Here we got some happy customers on here. How are you Corteva guys doing? You think you're going to have a good year for On Deck this year?
It's going to be an outstanding year for On Deck this year. Great feedback from guys that used it last year, and so we're looking forward to another good year.
Awesome. Can't wait to see more of it in the field. Yeah, well, here's the Pride Seed booth, and we got the wonderful Sarah here today. Sarah, you think it's going to be a great year for corn this year?
Yes, I'm feeling very optimistic.
As long as we get enough snowfall for the irrigation to run.
Exactly. Lots of heat. Are you going to actually keep that in there?
Maybe.
Okay.
So what's your favorite variety of corn for this year?
Well, I'm torn. I can't go wrong with AS1047 RR, Silage Pacific. It always tons up, gives you the quality you need, and that extended dry down is fantastic. And then we have a new hybrid A5686. We've seen some really good results from trials, so we're really excited to see that in the field scale, see how it does, and then it offers that added benefit of having above ground insect protection that some growers are looking for.
Excellent. Sounds good. My favorite variety is still 1027. All right, here we got the FMC booth, and I actually finally caught Brian in the booth. What's new for this year, Brian?
New for this year, we got Authority Strike. Carfentrazone and sulfentrazone, all in one. All new dry formulation. Give it a shot.
Sounds like a good plan. While you're here, come over and enter to win the Milwaukee Pack Out and 3-piece tool set. However, by the time you see this video, it'll already be gone. And this year in our booth, we have Mallerie. Mallerie is our new staff in Dunmore. Mallerie, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Okay, so now I am on the hot seat. So I'm Mallerie. I've got a couple years experience in the industry. I'm just really excited to be working with AgriPlus, and AgExpo is pretty fun this year, gotta say, so far.
Awesome. Great to have you on the team. We also have Mitchell, who's new this year. So, Mitch, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I grew up in southern Alberta on a small ranch, did Black Angus cattle, and then went to school at University of Lethbridge for ag biotechnology, learning about agronomy and plant health and plant genetics.
Excellent. You'll be seeing him at the foremost location as well as Lethbridge. Day 2 now, and the weather is a little nicer. It's hitting zero, still some snow on the ground though, but parking lot looks just as busy. Of course, it's 90% trucks as well. And the Man Van is here at AgExpo, so if you're over 40 and you're concerned about prostate cancer, come out here and get this checked out. All right, here's the Nexus BioAg booth. So here is the lovely Dorothy, as always. So, Dorothy, tell us, what do you have new for this year?
For this year, we have a new and improved granular Tag Team Bionic formulation. So it's maybe hard to see on the camera here, but it's more round, so it's going to flow better and be perfect in your drill. So hopefully give that a shot this year, and it's available at AgriPlus as well.
Excellent, thank you. You can see their full lineup of products here at the booth. So by the time you see this, it'll be too late to come by and check it out. But call us or talk to Dorothy at any time to get more information. Here in the booth today, we have Trevor from Humera. Trevor, tell us about your product.
We grow fungi and bacteria using various substrates of compost, and that fungi and bacteria then gets pelletized with a complete nutrition, carbon, starches, and proteins. We add that into our product, and then that pellet contains millions and millions of organisms, adding hundreds and hundreds of functions back into the soil.
Yeah, so that's going to have a huge effect on soil health, right?
Correct. It's the very foundation of soil health.
Mm-hmm. So you're going to see bigger roots and stronger plants?
Yeah, if that's what the plant needs. The plant is the driver. Whatever it exudates, it says, I need bigger roots. It'll attract those microbes closest to its root system, and they will produce hormones that will create finer root hairs, bigger roots, bigger lateral branching.
Yeah, and that can help in stressful situations.
Stress adapters are probably they're very significant in the product because it's about providing that stress support at the exact time that plant needs it.
Excellent, thank you. And if you need more information on Humera, come talk to us at AgroPlus. We have various size bags for everything from field size down to gardens. Hey, here we have the CEVA AgEpo booth. This is Precision Planters, and this is Colin Collins. Colin, what are you guys talking about to customers today?
Here at AgExpo, we are trying to get the name out there. Relatively new in the equipment world. We do everything planters. Old planters, new planters, full bar setups. We're bringing the newest technology from some of our equipment partners in Precision Planting and Harvest International, both companies out of the States. And yeah, that's what we've got on display here today.
Here's the 2020 Seed booth. We got Shannon here from 2020 Seeds. Shannon, can you tell us what you're testing for this year?
Sure, thanks. We're very happy to be here at AgExpo talking about seed testing with our customers and some new customers as well. As always, we're encouraging people to check their seed quality after storage. With the cool and cold and then warm spring, you don't know what pests or problems might be appearing in your bins, so that pre-seed test is really good. It also gives you your 1,000 kernel weight, which is super important when you're doing precision ag. And anybody who's doing ultra early seeding, get a vigor test in so you know how your seeds are going to perform under those stressful conditions. And as always, test your treatment. If you're in the habit of treating your seed, make sure that what you're treating it for is going to deal with the threats you're facing. You might be identifying a threat that your treatment won't work for, or that you don't need to treat, and it's more of a management thing. We have a full disease lab, an award-winning molecular lab. Plus, we offer all of the standard testing, and we're always open to tours and people coming to talk to us about testing.
Excellent. And also, Phanomyces and soil testing is all done through AgroPlus with 2020 Labs. So bring us your samples, and we'll drop them off. We are now hitting 4:30 on Thursday afternoons. The place is starting to empty out. Customers are starting to filter out, and most of us exhibitors are getting a little footsore and tired. So it'll be nice to finish this off today.